This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, it is March 11, 2019. So they were going to call for a guy who's got a boiler. I got to go over there and do an annual on it, and it says it needs attention. So I'm going to go over there and see what's going on with it. I've done work for this guy before, so go over there, try to get you some shots if I can. Big meltdown here with a slush mess we had. Be warm for a couple of days, looks like. Well, I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Alright guys, we got a leak in our relief valve here. £20. I did do the burner service. I had to blow the oil line out, put a new filter here, new filter at the tank, new nozzle. But that's I'm getting a good oil flow across the good draft there. But we gotta do something. I got it off here. I'm thinking that feeder might be questionable too. We're going to drain it down, check the expansion tank. Superior. Little boiler drains way down the bottom down there. I'm going to drain it. I just want to supply all these. All these should be off, these zone valves. He's got this one open, I don't know why. I'm not going to play with that. We'll shut this off. We'll shut this off. We'll shut this off. I'll supply. The return will do the same. I'm going to have to purge all the air out anyway. Through returns off. I got the feeder off. I should be able to drain the boiler. Replace that relief valve. And I gotta change that. I gotta change that boiler drain too, because if not, it's gonna leak, guaranteed. You know this is gonna get changed anyway, right? This relief valve. Just cut that and put another elbow on there. Can't leave it leaking like that. I mean, alright, so I got the new relief valve in there. Looks like the gauge is working. We'll see if the tank's any good. See if the tank's any good. If we got any pressure in the tank. Probably no good. Most likely. Oh, there's some pressure in there. Yeah, there's 16 pounds in there, so the tank's still good. Everything's fine. Surprisingly. And I got all the... This thing's really got some queer stuff happening there with this thing. I think I tried to purge this out before and it was always a hard time. Anyway, I did shut that thing off. Let's see if it holds. I don't know about this feeder. I guess the feeder's still good. All we have to do is purge all the air out. And I gotta put this back together. Alright, so I got this off here. It's a weird zoning in this house. So anyway, I opened this up to, so we get all the air out of the boiler. I did that already. The supply's coming up. It's teed off right there. It's running over through that loop. I did open the bypass. It's coming back to return. And then out right here. So the next one we're going to do is this zone here. Open up all the supplies. I've got some crazy shit happening here with this thing. I just got the regular feeder down, so we'll shut that one off. We'll open this one up. Want that purge, I gotta get a piece of copper for this. I know bone a piece of copper for this, little thing's too short. A little dark down here, but I'll do the best I can. Yeah, while I'm doing the other stuff, I just purge the air out of the zones, Don't hurt. And we have a pretty good flow out of that one. I'm gonna watch out for the landmines. Watch out for them doggy landmines. Alright, we'll move it over. I did put an elbow on there and a little longer piece I had in the truck. We'll have to move it over to another zone. And move it over to another one. Alright, I moved it over to another one here, and I gotta open this bypass. We must have a well here or something, because water pressure seems like shit. Water pressure seems terrible. Don't seem good. I'm not going to rebuild this house for him. I'm just getting it going for him. The best I can of what I got. That's it. I wish I would have got some video of blowing out the oil line and stuff, but he was hanging around, so it wasn't easy. I did have to blow it out with a CO gun. It doesn't seem like it's working here, does it? The pressure ain't worth a damn. Must have a bad well here or something, I don't know. Unless the feeder's bad, the feeder seemed to be working. He's got a well. run for a minute, make sure it runs clear. Pick up my tools, let that run for a bit. Alright, I got it moved over to the last one. We'll reinstate this head. Okay. This is crusty. This one he's got open. So you must have a problem with the thermostat of that zone. Whoa. That'll be the last one we have to do. I just have to pick up my tools and we should be good. New relief valve. Fill in there what I did. Like I said, I did change the nozzle. Did change the pump filter. I had to blow the oil line out all the way back to the tank. I did change the filter at the tank. I had to clean out this filter a couple of times because it kept getting full of muck. Then I blew the line back and it seemed to be fine after that. Did a good draft over the fire. I got that high vents leaking up top there, so I gotta change it. I got all the valves off again. So isolate all them zones. I'll have to do I gotta change the high vents, flipping leaking like a bitch. Look at that. No good. We'll drain it out. We'll put another high vent in there. I got all the supplies off. Got all the returns off. I just gotta get a high vent for that. And I got them in the truck. Not easy being cheesy, mama. I'm gonna bring this stuff out. I don't need it anymore. Carry some stuff out I don't need and bring stuff in I need. Yeah, it's not easy being cheesy. Alright, I did change the high vent up there. I mean, the other one was, yes, she was a leaker. I'll have to just purge this one zone because I got all the other ones off, so. I'm purging this one zone for us, and then I'll do that one next. Okay, I reinstated this. This one's pulled down. No more dripping. Couldn't leave it like that. I did try shutting the cap off. It kept leaking though, so whatever. We'll change it. Watch out for them landmines. Look like we're getting a pretty good flow there. Should be good. Been here a couple of years ago I was here, so what did I do? New nozzle, new filter at tank, new pump filter, pull back oil line, new relief valve, purge zones, new high vent. That was open. I'm leaving that. These two are restored. Got all the returns open. A little filter's not leaking, so that's good. Suspension tank's still good. 3 supplies are open. Feeder was still working, surprisingly. He's got a problem with the thermostat on the first floor for this. It's not working. I told him about it. So, pick up my tools and get out of here. What a beast. Gonna relocate the relief valve over here so we can put a bucket under it if he had to.